The Munyuk Oscillator, which is available for a variety of different platforms on the TradingFinder website, is a useful tool for traders. Users can download the indicator file for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms directly from this section. Additionally, they can also read through this page to learn more about how the indicator works, its features, and its overall functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, a histogram window appears at the bottom of the chart. The Munyuk indicator is an advanced and developed version of the parabolic CR indicator, which is displayed as a histogram on the chart instead of showing the parabolic CR values directly on the chart. Traders can enter buy positions in the market based on the upward trends that are clearly displayed in green, or enter sell positions in the market when the values are shown in red. However, the indicator tends to perform at its most effective when we use it as an entry signal that is in line with the overall market trend. For instance, as an example, here the price is in an uptrend and is forming higher highs and higher lows, which means that each new peak and each new low is higher than the previous one. Whenever the histogram indicator changes to green, we can enter a buy position and stay in the trade as long as it remains green, exiting only when it changes to red. Again, when the color on the chart turns green, we enter a buy position and hold that position until it eventually turns red. In this way, we are able to take full advantage of long-term uptrends for entering trades. And when the price is making lower highs and lower lows and enters a downtrend, we can use the sell signals and the red color of the histogram to enter a sell trade. We stay in the position as long as the histogram remains green, and we exit the position when it changes. Then when it turns red again, we enter a new position. In this way, we can use market trends to enter trades. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available for us. In the first input, we can enable or disable the alert notification when the color of the histogram changes from green to red or from red to green. In the next parameter, we can also specify the display size of the arrows here, which is set to 0 by default, and we can set it up to a value of 5 in the Settings section. In the next parameter, we can also specify the color of the bullish signals and the bullish values of the parabolic CR. And finally, in the last input, we can change the color of the bearish signals here to any color we like. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.